Hey everyone, it's Stuart here. And in today's video, we're going to show you a cool tool you can use to delete multiple posts at once. Now, just before we get going with today's tutorial video, consider subscribing if you are new to the channel, and don't forget to tap that bell icon to receive all the Facebook and Instagram tutorials and tips from this channel. And with that out the way, let's get into it. Okay, in order to access the tool that allows you to delete multiple posts at once, we just need to go into our Facebook page. You will then see the posts section somewhere in the middle of the page, and you then want to navigate over to Manage Posts. You then want to click on Manage Posts, and that is then going to open up all of the posts that are categorized by month that you have posted onto your page. Select the posts which you do not want to show up on your page any longer until a tick button appears in the right hand corner. Let's select this one in the top right hand corner, for example. There you can see there is a blue tick. Let's select one more just in case. Here we go. And that is two posts that have now been selected. We then want to go down to the bottom and select the next button and click on it. That is then going to give us the option to delete those posts. We want to select the delete posts button until the blue button appears as a blue dot, and then we want to select done. And once that is finished, you will no longer see those posts show up on your Facebook page anymore. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got a lot of value out of it. Once again, if you liked this video, don't forget to smash that like button down below and consider subscribing if you are new to the channel and want ongoing Facebook and Instagram marketing tutorials and tips. We post new videos every single week. And if you have any questions about the content that was covered in today's video, you can always leave a comment down below, and I'll aim to answer your questions as soon as I can. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial video. Bye for now.